Today in this video I'll be discussing regarding the 8 puzzle problem, that is the EPP problem in artificial intelligence. So today I'll be solving a problem based on this EPP, and for that you need to have just a function, that is a heuristic function with the goal node. Similarly you have solved for the A-star algorithm, and you have some denotions for this nodes, that you have basically 3 different kinds of nodes here. So you have first of all the live node, where is the node which is currently under investigation and its children has yet to be explored. And there is one E node. E node is that node which is currently being executed, or whose path is currently being under explored. And then you have the dead node. Dead node is that node where you reach the dead end, where no more further branches or its children are available for its further exploration. So let's talk to the function. So first of all, we have this AI function. For agent function, we have C of x, which represents the cost, which is equal to G of x plus H of x. Now G of x here is the cost of reaching the current node from the root node. Means you have this root node, and from root node you will be reaching to some current node. Maybe for example, you will be reaching to 6th node, 3 node, or 4th node, or 4th tile basically. Then h of x is a heuristic function where cost of reaching the answer node from x. Means heuristic function is that particular moves to the tile where you want to reach from this currently executing node to the final node. So we have this two configurations here. So this is the initial configuration and this is the final configuration. Means you have placed these tiles in its initial setup. So you have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and one blank tile, then 7 and 4 at the base level. So you have this final configuration where you have 1, 2, 3 as it is, and then 5 is there as it is, then 8 is here and 6 is here, then 7 and 4, this is changed to 7 and 4. So this is the final configuration. So we have to move the tiles by looking at this final configuration. So for that I have considered this root node. So in our case our root node will be the initial configuration. So we have this puzzle or this block. So we will be moving this tile in such a way that we'll be going from down to up, like from 4, 6, 3 we'll be solving this. So first of all, this tile can, this 4 can take its position from this position to this position. 6 can take its position from left to right, and 3 from up to down. So we have 3 basic possibilities here, and the node with the minimum value or the minimum cost will be choosing that for further expansion. So we have first, we have this node, that is we have 1, 2, 3, then we have 5, then we have 7, then we have 6 here, and then 8. Since we are moving 4 from this position to this position, it will be like this. So let's make all the moves first, and then we'll calculate the cost for each of this. So then you have 1, 2, 3, you will keep it as it is, and you have here 5 and 6 will be moving to this position, and then you will be having 7, 8 and 4, and this would be 1, 2, 3, and in this case 3 will be moving down, so it will be 5, 6 and 3, and 7, 8 and 4. So this will be our configuration after we do the first move. So we calculate C for each of this. Since now this is the very first move, so we add a 1 to this. So this 1 would be this h of x, and cost of reaching the current node from the root node, that value will be writing it here. Now you have to compare this matrix with this final configuration. So in this case 1, 2, 3 remains intact, so no change in that. Then you have 5 in its place. Then you have got 8, 6. Here you want 8, but here it's 6. Then it is 4 here, and then these 4 blocks are completely changed. So you need to change this. Just configure only, just concentrate only these parts where you want to move the make the changes. So this will be 4. So 4 tiles needs to be changed to reach the goal node. so its cost would be 5. So a total cost of 5 moves would be required to change this node from this position. Next, you have this 1 plus and 6 in its position. So from here you get a fair idea that this would be our next expanding tile or next expanding node. So you have here 5 its position, then you have 8, 7, so it would be 2, so a total would be 3, so cost would be 3. And here since this is symmetric, so since 4 is moved up and so 3 is moved down, so this also has 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So these are the costs to this. So we'll be choosing the minimum cost, and so since this mostly reaches our final configuration, so we'll be expanding this one. So now again these have further 3 possibilities. So the very first possibility, now we'll be moving 2, 5 and this 8 here and not 6. Why? Because we have achieved that 6 as our final configuration, so we'll be not doing anything to this 6. So then we have 1, 2 and 3. Then now we'll be moving 8 to its upper position, so it will be 5, 8 and 6 and 7, a blank and 4. And here we'll be moving 5 to this position, that is 1, 2, 3. Then you have a blank here, then 5, 6, 7, 8 and 4. And here you have that now you'll be moving 8 up. No, you will be moving 2 down, so it will be 1, 3. So 2 down, so 5, 2, 6 and 7, 8, 4. So this will be our second move, so we'll be calculating the cost for this. So it will be 2 plus, since it is second move, so we'll be doing 2 plus. And now we have to compare this along with this. So it will be 1, 2, 3 as it is, 5, 8, 6 also as it is, and this is 7 and 4. So you need to have only one move. So this 7 needs to be changed to this place, so it would be 3 here, and this is like 1, 2, 3, and you will add 2 plus uh, we have 6 here. We need to change 1, 2, 3 tiles here, so it would be 5. And just concentrate on this final configuration where you have to move the changes, then you will get this value of g of x. And then this one is completely different, so it will be, you need to change this one, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. So it will be 2 plus 3. So this would be again 5. So the lowest cost and the most matching to the final configuration will be this one. So we would be expanding this one. So only two moves, either 7 to the right side of the middle position or 4 to the middle position. So our answer would be moving 7 to this position. So first we'll move 1, 2, 3 and 5, 8, 6, and just we'll move the 7 and 4 here, and now this will be our final answer to this, that is we'll be moving 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 6 and a blank here at the first position, and 7, 4. Now this matches our final configuration. So a cost should also be there with this. So now this would be 3 plus 1 move you have to make, that which makes 4, and this will be 3 plus 0 moves. So since 0 is there, you have reached the final configuration. So this is the lowest cost, and so you will be accepting this as your final configuration or the final solution to this problem. So we have reached the initial configuration as well as the final configuration according to the EPP, that is the 8 puzzle problem. So that's all about this 8PP, EPP problem in artificial intelligence. So hope you enjoyed this video. From this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.